After being injured in an accident in Louisiana, what separates winning the case from losing the case?
One of the things that I think is great about where I am in my career and why this firm is successful and will be successful is that I worked on the other side for over a dozen years. So I know exactly what an insurance company needs to write a check. They need to have certain documentation. They need to have certain things reported to them. They need to see certain things in order to say, okay, this case is worth a certain amount. We're willing to settle it up to that amount. I know all of that. I also know what are they going to do to try to pick holes in your case. When you think about a case, think about it like a boat. You want your boat to float. They want to start poking holes in the boat, enough holes to sink it. Now, that might be by shooting a cannonball through it. That's great for them if they can do it. But it also might be poking little pinholes. But eventually, you get enough pinholes and the water flows into the boat and you're sunk. Knowing what they're going to try to do and then trying to prevent that proactively, that's the best way to put a client in the position to succeed. That starts from the very beginning. It starts with talking to clients about what they should be putting on social media, what they should and should not be telling a doctor, what they should and should not be doing, right? If you're hurt, yeah, you might have to do certain things, of course, but don't be silly and push yourself to the point that, you're not giving your body time to heal, or maybe you're out there and someone's watching you because they've got surveillance on you. All those things are little pinholes. If you're telling somebody, I can't bend over. Well, we better not catch you picking up a case of water because you went to Costco and you didn't have the forethought to ask somebody to help you. Because if that PI, that private investigator, is watching you, what are they going to say? Oh, you told the doctor you couldn't pick anything up and there's a 20-pound case of water you're bending over and picking up. Were you lying to the doctor or are you lying right now? If they peg you as a liar, for one thing, then a jury's going to say, well, you must be lying about everything. And jurors are skeptical anyway because they think that everyone's in this to make money and with their hand out. And that's not the case. We try to prepare these cases in the beginning for success at the end. And that's why, our communication with our clients is critical, and making sure that we can give you all of the information you need to make informed decisions, and that we do that so that you put yourself in the best position for success at the end.